for you. Are you ready for the week ahead?
Yeah!
Well, the party's only just started and we're going to kick off your night with a game I like to call All Hands on Deck. So what we're going to do is we're going to split the deck in half. We're going to make two teams. We're going to go right down the middle. So Sir in the middle, you're now on both teams, sorry. So everybody on this side of the deck, you guys here, on deck 6, 7, deck 8, give me a wave, give me a cheer. Fabulous. And we need some competition. So everybody on the other side of the deck, you guys here, on deck 6, make some noise. Now, the first round is very, very simple. It's called Carry On Singing. Now, individually, you're about to hear a song. When the music cuts out, all you need to do is carry on singing. The team with the loudest voice, most in time, the best tuning, well, I'm going to award you some points. Okay, so, this side you're going to go first. You're captained by Gary, Will, Matt, Carl from your entertainment team. Here you go, guys, it's time to carry on singing! You know this one. Let's see your hands on deck 10.
Who's waiting for me there? Every lonely city where I hang my hat ain't as half as pretty as where
Here we go, get ready! Keep going! Not bad at all. There you go. Now that was very much in time. The volume was there. However, there could have been more participation from deck 6 upwards. Yeah, you need to be a little bit better next time. So I'm going to start you off with 60 points. 60 out of 100. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We've only just got started. Calm down. Hold your horses. Now, Helen, Alice's team, do you think you can do better than that? 60 points to me. Here we go. Let's carry on singing.
Hello, Julie and Molly. Well done. How are you? You've got some time. Yeah. All right.
Get ready, everyone.
I did exactly when
I can't hear you. Wow, there we go. This side of the deck, I have to give it to you. One of them Malagas was very, very loud. The timing was there. There was more participation. So I'm going to have to give you 80 points. 80 points. Now, don't worry, it's time to bring it back because we're going to move on to our next round. Perhaps this singing wasn't so good. This is called Carry On Dancing. Now, we're about to play you a song which will have some very famous dance moves. All you need to do is show us your best moves. Get on the dance floor, get on the dance floor. Gary's team, here we go, let's carry on dancing! You know this one, Gangnam Style, we want to see you on the dance floor. Here we go! Oh. Now, I hate to break it to you, Gary's team, but in carry-on dancing terms, that's called a train wreck. I didn't really see any dance moves that kind of resembled Gangnam Style, apart from Lily. Lily, you were great, but you were carrying your whole team there, unfortunately. But for that performance, I'm only going to give you another 60 points. Only 60 points. I'm sorry, but you never know. You're not pushing me in that bowl, dude. It's not happening. It's too cold. Okay, Helen, you could win this now. If you just prove that your dancing is better than Gary's team, you're going to win. Here we go. Let's carry on dancing. Do you know this one? Just make it up. We've got one lady here. She knows what she's doing. There you go, take 6, I like it. Wave. There you go, left hand, hello.
You're all like a surveyor,
Wow, okay everyone. Now, I have to say, if that was a train wreck, then gosh knows what that was. Everyone just seemed to be kind of shaking all over the place. You were trying to be carried by your show team. It was good, but it wasn't the correct dance move. So, unfortunately, I can only give you 50 points. 50 points, which by my calculations means that it's a draw. Shall we leave it as a draw for last week? Shall we have a draw? Okay, I've got a deal for you. We're going to play one more song. I want to see as many of you on that dance floor, dancing, cheering, going crazy. You're on a holiday. Whichever team impresses me the most will get 100 points and therefore will be crowned winners this evening. Here we go, for the last time, Malaga Spirit, let's carry on singing! Because I wanted to be, completely objective when I made my decision, but I have made a decision. Brace yourselves, drum roll please, show team.